was looking around. Everybody's so well dressed. This is basically prom for education. So thank you for allowing me to join the party. I want to share with you some data on the first national study of school cell phone policies. Phones are like pretty much the most tempting invention that you could possibly dream up of as a psychologist. What do we know about this new temptation? Now let me show you a question that we asked teenagers in our research. When studying for a big test, where do you keep your phone? I want to show you this graph. The farther the phone, the higher the GPA. This brings me to you and to school cell phone policies and why I think it is so important that we get this right. We need data, we need evidence to show not only what's working, but how it's working. And I think we need a playbook for educators who say, I care about this policy, but I want to see best case scenarios so I can do this well in my own school.
So if we get this cell phone policy right, what do you think our schools could look like?
One thing we do know is that since time immemorial, young people only grow up to have character when under the mentorship and careful care of responsible adults who model for them what it means to be honest and compassionate and kind and focused with attention on the person in the room. We will always need teachers. We will always need schools because it is in that crucible that so much of character development happens.
So I'm so excited for the future, so grateful to Excel in Ed for platforming what I feel like is maybe the most important discussion that we can possibly be having in education right now as we think about how we map out the future of education in the age of technology. But I would love to give you the last word.
To Excel in Ed, which by the way is the hot ticket, all of my friends are jealous that I got a keynote at Excel in Ed. They couldn't believe it. I'm now cool. That this is what this is about. I mean, you are really taking action in meaningful ways. So not only in honor of freedom and liberty, but also the responsibility that we have to our community and to our kids. So thank you, Ellen. Thank you, Excel in Ed. And thank you for having me with your precious time. Thank you.